We all know a lot of kids have reading lists over the summertime, and joining us is Dr. Shelley Mitchell, Extension Specialist for Horticulture and Youth Programs, and she's going to show us a fun activity to make that reading a little bit more fun.
We're going to make a little pressed flower bookmark.
Awesome. So I've pressed a few flowers in here, so I have those for us. What do we need to do?
Well, first we need a piece of sticky contact paper.
Okay.
So I got that. Now this is not going to be as wide as the bookmark's going to be. So I'm going to fold it in half just to have something to work with so I can eyeball it. It's easier to keep it in one piece and then fold it over than try to like aim another piece on top later.
Okay.
So I'm just going to expose the sticky part that we're going to work with first so we can try to limit as much dirt.
It is windy out here today.
Yeah. Just a tad.
But this is a fun way to get the kids involved and maybe get excited about reading, and a little fun activity.
Yep. Okay, so we don't want to get too close to the top because we're going to put a hole up there eventually. So we're just going to lay some flowers on the sticky. So I'll let you do that.
And I can do whatever I want to do with them here,
Yep.
right? There's no right or wrong.
No right or wrong.
All right.
Okay, now what we're gonna do, make sure they're kind of on there pretty good. All right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna expose the other half, and then we're going to fold this over.
So we kind of use our crease to
Try to not get any bubbles in it the best we can. It's okay if there's some bubbles. Doesn't have to be perfect. We can work some of them out. All right, now to make it more square, we can trim off some of this sticky that didn't quite get covered.
And of course, I assume you can make this contact paper any size you want. If you have smaller books, bigger books, whatever.
Oh yeah, you can make it any size you want, any shape you want. You can make like a star-shaped one if you wanted. Try to get it. And since the flowers are already pressed, they should pretty much keep their shape and their color. We could put fresh ones in here, but it might not last as long or look as good after a while. All right, so now we have our bookmark, and then to make it a little bit more functional and easy to get out of the book, we're going to punch a hole in it. And then I have a piece of ribbon. So we can either tie it or we can...
And it matches.
It matches. You got some purple flowers and I got a purple ribbon. So I'm going to pull a loop through and then just pull the ends. And now we have a bookmark. Here, I'll make it so you can see it better. There. We got purple flowers, red flowers, and it's ready to be put in a book.
And I guess you've added plant names in your bookmarker, but you could add glitter or whatever into yours as well to customize it.
Exactly.
Well, this is a great way to enjoy your summer reading, and thank you for sharing this activity with us, Shelley.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.